easy go.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are playing this game named Teo Town, I think. So, we made some new city. This is great. Really good. So, let me see the terrain. Okay, let's go play this game. Okay, Pao. Pao na are we not calling this Pao? We call this New City? Nah, that's bad. How about Ni Brazil? Okay, let's go. Brazil. Yes, Brazil. We call this Brazil now. And of course, we are poor. Okay. So now, we are going to fix this thing. Come on, dude. So, we need to zoom in. And then place some concrete. You know. Press the no, this thing. This thing. Yeah, like that. Nah, this is stupid. We need to, yeah, like that. Okay, transport. We need this. Oh, we have only this. The ugly. I don't know what the fuck is this. Okay, guys. Maybe 7 and then. Okay. Oh yeah, we don't have a power left. For that, guys, we don't have power. Okay, we're gonna put some resident in here. And then commercial. Okay. So, this is... We have 9 population. Oh, 11 now. Okay. Where we need to put that? And they need some water too, bro. Really? Okay, we are gonna energy with solar panel. And then put this thing in here. Yeah. And then we need some water at the water. Don't forget the water. And then the pipes. We need some pipes. No. Okay. So they all need to do just have a water. They don't have water left. I mean, dude, there's ocean in front of them, and they never gonna cook that thing. Dude. Oh, anak ko statue, no problema. Maybe gonna go in here. Okay, this is our first. Oh my. This is our first village. We have a little tiny store and house, but they are poor. And our road look like a bed to me. Oh, what the? Oh yeah, I forgot. I just downloaded this mod. And we have some depot too. Philippines National Railway. It is my build in our city, but you have to declare zone for them first. Nah, we don't care. Okay, we need to build some more interesting. Yeah, that's right. We need more build some. If I first play this game, I just don't know how to play this, and then I'm so angry I delete this game. But now I know this game is too easy. Yeah. Okay. Banana. Where is that came from? So we have resident. I don't know, forgot about it. So our population is 164. We need more. More. Oh yeah. Oh! A mood. Oh, the twin tower. Oh, I thought. Oh, this is so big. Ew. I don't know about. Oh, casino. We have some casino, but we don't have some population enough. I need some money, quick. Oh, I get wrong. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh yeah, like that, and then we need more population to make some many ideas. Ooh, for this, we need to remove. We need to move this thing, and then our resident will be angry with me. Look, look. Wait, what the? Os. Os. Oh, they're starting disappearing. Oh, I see. You see? We need this. Don't worry, don't worry. Oh, yeah, like that. Oh, dang. Oh, you don't have water. That's why we don't have more population. Okay, don't worry. Okay. So, we having a great time with this. We need more population. Oh, maybe it's sorry about that. Kinda disappointment. Dang, like that. Okay, we have some 59k now. We reached the 59k. So we are going back to our business, guys. Brazil. Brazil. I'm gonna change my name again. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Okay, our residential. Okay, we have some residential, commercial. Oh, we don't have this thing. This gray one is bad. He will kill everyone. He will make some toxic wave. Dude, you just make some peacefully and then that's happened to you. Okay, so we need to make some more road. Zone commercial. Hey, that's not actually bad. Good, already raining and then vanish. Hmm. A little bit tiny a bit, parang yeah. Nope. Window. We need to make some far away because too many people said to me need to make this. Oh my god, this is my worst. Yeah. Oh yeah, that thing. Going to becoming brown. Nah, they giving you. Oh. Hey, let's go, Hamlet. Oh no. Okay, we have now Hamlet. Good one. Oh, we don't have more power. No. Sorry. I got you. There you are. Oh, they don't have water too, huh? I thought you don't need. Can you terrible with this? Dude, this is terrible. What the? Oh, okay. I know a motor. What the? What the? What the? Where is that thing? Oh, they don't have power now, huh? Huh? Hamlet. Our rank is Hamlet, guys. Okay? So maybe we need to remove this thing. And then make some residential again. Hey, what the? I thought this is a house, but it was a commercial. Lowest happiness transportation. Build 94 days. Hey, I like this thing. You have some Hamlet rank. At least 350 city points needed. Nah. Hey, we have a cell phone now. But we don't have a tower. What the? Or something, signal. Or, I don't know. I forget about it. Oh, satellite. We don't have a satellite and then we have phone. Dude. Okay, we have a towers now. A commercial. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. Oopsie. Maybe I made some mistake. Another one. Then I destroy it. Okay, next is we need some commercial again. More commercial. For more money. Because if you more have commercial, you get some more money, you know that. So this is day 1. Day 1 building my city, my own city. And I name it Paul. Okay. So this thing is here is empty, so we're gonna make it more. Okay. We need some commercial again. Another commercial. There you go. Oh yeah, we need some, we don't have, oh, never mind. Okay, we're gonna put this thing in here. Sorry if I remove your store. Go to the another way. I need some help too. Oh, we don't have education left. We have this thing. This is Philippines, DepEd. Small. Wait, what kind is this? Our village. Wait, what? Don't have water. Oh, yeah, about that. Sorry. Sorry about that. So this is your water now. Take your water. And they don't have water too. Oh no! Oh, no. No. Okay. Oh. Why this you are fishing? Why this is look like a Philippines now? AKA my place. And we have firefighter. How is this even happen? I guess this is day 1 and then we have, medium. happy, and this is a ship. I need this thing. And we have some taxi too. Taxi depot. And cemetery. Of course. If you dead, you going in there. Okay, we're gonna place this thing because we need some, transportation. If you don't have car or anything like a motorcycle, and then car, you gonna walk. But in the place when you are walking, there's no transportation. That's sad. So that's why I'm gonna make this thing. There you go. There's no water? What do you mean there's no water? Or you mean not enough some water? Okay. This is really bad. Is someone living there? Yeah, someone living there. So I'm gonna put this thing in here. Oh, I thought it was a bus. Oh. Hey, let's go. They have motorcycle. But why don't you have helmet? That's, hey, yo. Oh yeah, I forgot. We need to make some garbage too. Where's the garbage as service? No. Yes. There you go, big guy. Why you look like building some big mall or supermarket or something? What's that? Okay. You look like building some big, a mall or a station. No, no. Oh no! Don't tell me there's a truck. Wait. Oh, thank God we opened this now. Okay, we're gonna replacement our road because the traffic jam is so hard to move. Imagine this. Too many people going to the water park, but the road is too many car, and then you stuck to there. Dude, I will never go in the park now. I will stay at home playing some game to relax my brain because dude, too many car, traffic jam. You will stuck forever, and you will never, never going back. And you will cook. When you cook, you never gonna go out. Oh, you need some water. You're a taxi, but you need some water too. That's kind of strange. There you are. Let me see if this the more sorry about that terrible English. They look like a drifting, dude. Look, hey, they are drifting. Hey, wait, what the? The motorcycle too. Drifting, really? You can light too. Double light. Drifting, hey! Okay, we have small village now, guys. Okay, we need some more camera, you know. Okay. Fruit or need? Na, ayo, I said the bad thing. There you are. So that's it, guys, for today's video. This is our video today, and then tomorrow I will make some more commercial right in here. This thing and more factory. Oh no, they said they make the big mistake. Oh yeah. Well, bye.